Hey viewers, today's video is going to be kind of a different one, but I just want to show you something. So this is kind of a makeshift refrigerator. I have this cooler that's holding some stuff, and in order to help it stay cool, I'm pretty sure there's like watermelon or food in it, but I have the AC going to the floor and I have this thing covering it up. So I guess it's kind of a temporary solution. You know, it'd be better if you had like a blanket so no of the cold air could get out and it'd just be constantly blowing on that. So I don't know if you could like try and hang a blanket from this compartment. Depends on the car you have. This is the Honda CR-V that I drive for work. So yeah, it works pretty good. Yeah, I still got cold air coming out of here, so you can still stay cold as you do that. So yeah. And I don't know if these back seats have it. You probably could. So yeah, this is kind of how to make a portable refrigerator to help keep your food cool. Of course, you can't really have anyone sitting right here. Yeah, that's what I'd assume, because their feet would probably kick it out of the way. But I don't have a blanket, so I'm just using this bag to help it keep cool. Yeah, hope this tutorial helps, and see you in the next one.